lovely sweatshirt, my mum bun. I am cranking this look. Hello my legends, thanks again for tuning in. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to this beautiful person. Anyway, enough shenanigans. Let's get on with today's video, which is my everyday makeup look. Now, I just need to say straight up that I do not wear makeup every day, but if I were to wear makeup every day, I would want it to be super quick, very easy, affordable products, and that's it. Okay, so let's get cracking, shall we? So I also need to let you know that most of my makeup is about 5 to 10 years old. It is super cheap stuff from the supermarkets or Kmart and things like that. To start off with, my everyday look, I use this BB cream that I get from Aldi. It's in the colour Light, because without a tan, I am pretty much the colour of Casper the Ghost. So yes, I use this light one. I forgot to mention also, before I even start my makeup, make sure I pop some moisturiser on, and I'm using the Frank Body moisturiser in collection at the moment because it is Australian made and it is vegan. So there we go, I have changed over my skincare to a vegan variety, and I would like to change over my hair care and my makeup, etc. Next up, because I'm getting a little bit long in the tooth, I'm getting some nice big baggies under my eyes, I use Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free foundation stick, and it is in the colour Classic Ivory. I just shove that under my eyes. Tops. And I just pat that in. Now, if I can be bothered, I'll go and wet my beauty blender and, you know, sponge that off. But most of the time, I'm running late for work and I need to bloomin' get my face on so I don't look like I'm ill. Next up is just some translucent. Next up is some translucent powder. I've just got this one. I think it was from Kmart, and it is in the colour Natural. And so it comes with this little fluffer, and all I do is go like this, put it on my face, and repeat everywhere. So to make me look a little bit more alive, I've got some bronzer. Now you can see how old this one is. My god, this is so old. I actually got this at one of those house party, like body shop house party things that you go to and you get roped into buying something. This was the thing. This is like over 10 years old. There's so much left in it. Makeup companies would hate me. So it's just like little balls, but I actually use the back of the sponge that comes with it because there's plenty of colour on that. Grab a blush brush. So I don't do anything to my brows other than get a spoolie and brush them up. I think us curly girls are pretty lucky that, generally speaking, we have got nice curly lashes as well. So we just have to, so we get to skip that extra part of having to curl our lashes and just pop on our mascara. Mascara from Aldi. You can see that budget really does play a huge part in things that I like. Then, just to give myself a fancy looking finish, can't even see the logo on this anymore, but this is Napoleon Blush Patrol, and excuse the disgusting palette, this again is so old, and I just like to grab a little bit of this highlighter for Hut here, pop it on my cheeks, and the highlighty bits, a little bit under my brow, also on my nose, and Cupid's bow. And then the last step, just to finish off the look, is I am using the Frank Body lip tint at the moment in the colour Cherry Bomb, and I love this. Again, it is vegan and it is Australian made, and they ship within Australia really quickly. Just be mindful, if you do get this product and you live in a cold climate, it does get hard in the tube, so it's a bit harder to get out. And on hot days, I have found it bloody zooms out. Let's go find some better lighting so you can actually see the goods. So how do we do it? Did I do okay? Okie dokie guys, thanks so much for tuning in again. Love to you all. See you again soon.